Hello there, welcome back. This is Ahmos. We will try now to explore the Google Drive and the feature of the Google Drive. The Google Drive is a utility by Google that let you have around 15 gigabytes workspace on the web, and this workspace can be synchronized to several machines, and you can synchronize files, add files, pictures, stuff like this. And whenever you change in any machine or in the web drive itself, it will be changed on all the locations that you store the Google Drive. Google Drive are accessed with your email, Gmail. So let's log in, sign in to your Gmail. After signing to your Gmail, you will have right now some applications in this area. The application we have, we talked before that one email will let you access several applications, and we will be the authentication of several applications like Gmail itself, the email. And let's go here and see what we can work else. So we will work with what we call it the Gdrive. So start Gdrive. Here we are. Gdrive now is empty. You have around 15 gigabytes. Actually, this area, this space is shared with Gmail and other applications. So let's start now to create folders on the web, okay, and upload stuff to these folders. So we will create a folder, an empty folder, and we will name it F1. So you have F1 right now. Let's create another one, for example F2. Let's now upload. You can actually drop files, but let's work with the upload feature. For files, you can upload a whole folder in your machine. So I'll start to upload, for example, this file, Christmas. The file starts to be uploaded in the folder F2, and like I told you, you can upload a whole folder. You can upload a whole folder, whatever the folder you want to do. Say this folder, it's okay. Okay, this is a very big folder, but anyway, let's upload this folder. Start to upload a folder called contents with all its data. So what else? What else we can do? This is a good feature that we can have a space in the web that we access it and store our files, our pictures, our documents, our essentially files. So what else? Else we can connect this drive, this web drive, to our PC. So whenever you change the content of the web drive or the content of the folder in the PC, you will have synchronization between the web and the PC. And also if another PC is available and you add the feature on it, it will be synchronized. So to have this, you need to install what we call it the Google Drive to your PC. Download. Okay, let's download it. Okay, it's already now downloaded. Let's run it, install it. Now we did install the Google Drive software on our PC, so let's start to check how we will configure this software. So go to all programs, start to find the icon for Gdrive, Google Drive, and start the Google Drive. We'll start now to initialize the folders and to work with it. It asks you for the email that you create this Google Drive with it. So now you have two steps to start with Google Drive. It will tell you right now the software that you did install, tell how to use it, how it works. Google Drive folder will be created on your computer. It asks you that we will create a folder in your computer, and this folder is actually the folder that will be synchronized with the web folders and the web drive. So let's go next and start. File will be now synchronized. Okay, so we'll go to the advanced setup in order to check the location of the folder and also the folders that you need to synchronize. We will leave this, so all the folders on the web will be synchronized to this folder. Okay, so you can change it, as if you wish, whatever. Let's make new folder. This is the folder as we told you, Gdrive for test. Okay, so this is the folder in the PC that will be created. Gdrive for test. I don't know where. What? Okay. Okay. Change right now. Okay. Let's go. Okay, to have the Google start automatically when the PC is turned on, and you will have this icon. This icon is dimmed, and after that it will get a good fully color. So this means that you are signed in. Now you are not signed in, so let's go start synchronization. You're right now in the Gdrive on your machine, and you will find that we have two uploaded files, or one file and another folder, and we can right now directly add to this Gdrive files, and these files will be synchronized to the web directly. So let's go now to our web. Here we have just only two files, and let's go and add one file to this area, for example. Okay, let's get this baby. we right now will add the file to our local drive. Here, this folder, let's add it here in folder 1, and you find right now, sure, it did get synchronized. So let's start syncing one of one. Just after a while you will have this file uploaded here, and this is a way to synchronize your uh, folder, your PC folder, with the Google Web Drive. And also, if you install the software, this small software, to another machine, you will have this machine offline or offline shared folder synchronized to the web and also to the first machine. Okay, that's all in this point. Let's now start to connect to another machine and start to synchronize the same account to it. So our account, let's get our account details. Login with 253545. Okay, 53545, and the password. Asking you now that you will Google Drive folder will be created because it's new login. So we will go to the advanced and ask to see the same. Okay, we'll keep it in this area. It's got an old account, but it's okay. There's a problem with selecting the Google Drive. Select is not empty. Please select an empty folder. It's asking you that you don't use a folder contain files. So let's now start to remake here, which we call it 253545. Okay, just for the lying. Okay, let's start to work or not. This is another machine or remote machine. Okay, saying you are, so just drag. Okay, it's asking you just a small help if you want to drag files. Here we are. This is the two folders. I think if we open the F1 folder, we will find the baby. In the other machine, this baby we did add it in the main host machine or machine we work with it initially. So now your Google Drive will be synchronized in all the machines that you have this small icon and this small software. Okay, and also in the web. So the web is the common between all the machines. Thank you for listening and hope you have fun with this Google application.